enjoy some of the Caribbean's most idyllic isles on this inspiring 12-day round-trip voyage with Viking. Your journey begins in cosmopolitan Miami, home to vibrant Art Deco architecture and a thriving art scene. Then it's off across the azure waters of the Atlantic. You're headed for Puerto Rico and its capital, San Juan, where it's easy to stroll the delightful cobblestone streets of the Old Town, sample the island's tasty cuisine, or its many fascinating galleries. St. Martin, split between the French and the Dutch, is home to a mix of colourful architecture and European influences. Antigua was once described by English writer Henry Nelson Coleridge as the prettiest little harbour he ever saw in 1825. The British have long had a presence here, and Admiral Horatio Nelson's dockyard is a fascinating window into the past. St. Lucia welcomes you with one of the Caribbean's most distinctive landscape features, and the opportunity to soar through the heart of a dense rainforest. On St. Kitts, explore the centuries-old British fortress that once protected the island, or step inside an opulent home built during the era when sugarcane brought great wealth to the island. St. Thomas was once legendary as a favourite stopover for pirates. One look at breathtaking Magan's Bay and it's easy to understand why. 2 days of sun and tranquil waters follow before your memorable Viking journey concludes back in lively Miami.